Show me your soul. Baby, I'll show you mine. Show me your soul.
Hello my babies, welcome back to another video. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Esther and thank you so much for tuning in today's video. So obviously today, you can tell from the title, you can tell from what you're looking at right now, it's gonna be a get ready with me makeup outfit for the fall, and I'm also featuring my natural hair in this video. Guys, I love the glam. It's so dark, vampy, so fall, and my outfit is definitely, you know, fall vibes, you already know. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started, y'all. Grab yourself a snack, get comfortable, and watch me slay. Drinking my smoothie. In case you're curious what is in the smoothie, we have apple, mango, banana, oats milk, spinach, and ice. So healthy and delicious. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the brows, y'all. The natural hair is out today, and I'm also rocking some cute hoops to go along with this look, but it is out today, y'all. How y'all feel about this natural hair? How y'all feel about this look? My hair is growing though, to be honest. Since last time I cut it, I feel like it's growing so much faster. I'm tempted, so tempted to getting it trimmed a little bit lower again, but then I don't know if I want to do that. I haven't really decided, you guys, because I do want to grow my hair out really healthy, but then I also want to rock this short cut for a minute or two, enjoy it while I can, and then once I'm done, because I don't want to cut my hair again. I don't want to cut it once it's long. I don't feel like doing all of that again. So I realize it takes me seconds to do my brows. I don't be taking so long. Back in the day, I used to take so long to do my brows. Now it's just like a quick little fill and I'm all done. So for concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this Rare Beauty concealer. You guys know I did a review on Rare Beauty and I love their products so far. They're so good to me. And this concealer is in the shade 430W, and I'm just gonna use this to clean my brows. I feel like I did not get no sleep last night, but y'all, I got a lot of sleep, or maybe that's what it is. I probably got too much sleep. You know, when you just overdo it with the sleep, you feel tired, and then if you don't get enough sleep, you feel tired. It's so weird. The human body is just weird though. Brows are done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab a primer. Now this primer, you guys, I've used it once, and this is the Mercier Pure Canvas Powder Primer. So today I'm gonna use it again. I don't remember how it actually worked on my skin last time I used it, so let's use it one more time. And I think the reason why I did not really care to use it is because, like, I just feel like I'm not picking up so much product in this primer. It's so weird. Like, there's product in here, but I just feel like it's not sucking up. Okay, that's it. It's not sucking up nothing. It's kind of annoying. So we're gonna grab this much, work this all over the skin. So if you haven't tried anything Mercier, give it a shot. They have amazing primers, and now since they came out with so much different type of primers, like silicone based, hydrating primers, because you can definitely find the type of primer that you prefer. So for foundation, you guys, I'm trying out a new foundation, and this is the NARS. What is this? The NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation in the shade Macao Medium Dark 4. Now, they sent this over to me. I was supposed to give it a shot a long time ago, actually, but the thing is, I was nervous. I compared this Macao with Luminous Weightless, NARS Luminous Weightless Foundation Macao, and I feel like this one is a little bit lighter, so bear with me. So I went ahead and did the foundation matcher thing on NARS. It's pretty easy. All you have to do is go to NARS.com, and they have this foundation matcher thing that you just have to look through a window like this, natural lighting coming in, and then have your camera ready, and it's gonna be able to scan your skin and let you know which shade is perfect for you. And girl, they matched me with Macao. The shade below Macao is way too dark, and then the shade above Macao is way too light. So we're gonna try this. I haven't tried it on my skin. Like I said, I just swatched it on my arm and it was too light. So I'm gonna go light with it, and then you guys, it's light. It's light. I don't get how this is my shade. So I'm gonna go light with it, and then we're gonna, you know, give it more of a fuller glam if it's ooh, I love, ooh, little does go a long way. maybe this is my shade. I just need to go light with it. I don't know. Ooh, a little. You guys, this is without foundation. This is with. Y'all see that? With foundation, without foundation. Now you guys know I am not a matte type of girl. I really love my foundation luminous and weightless, just like the NARS Luminous Weightless Foundation. I love that type of finishing look, but this matte is actually, it's beautiful. I'm sorry if this is too light. I'm so sorry. We are going to make it work nonetheless, but I love the finishing look to this foundation. It's very beautiful. It is a soft matte like they mentioned. It's not too matte, which I am very happy about that because I am not a matte type of girl. So for concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the Rare Beauty Concealer in the shade 430 and then 400W. I'm gonna start with this shade right here. I think I said last time this one is perfect, so I might not have to go with that lighter shade. I'm gonna just conceal all the points that I normally conceal. I feel like this concealer is lightweight, but gives me the perfect coverage to the skin. And I'm gonna grab that brighter shade just to pop that a little bit, not too much, in there. This concealer is definitely a plus for me. It's gorgeous. Low-key kind of reminds me of the Fenty Beauty because I feel like the Fenty Beauty concealer, it's like a nice coverage and it's pretty light as well, so you're not gonna, you know, you're not getting that cake face under eye kind of thing. So now I'm gonna go ahead and contour, and I'm gonna grab this Fenty Beauty Pro Concealer in the shade 470. The shade is actually perfect in my opinion as well. Normally I always go a little darker, but this is actually a good shade. Catch my nose, underneath my lip, and my chin. So that's blended really well. I'm gonna just go ahead and blend my nose contour. I cannot believe I sat here and had this foundation this whole time. Felt like it was too light for me, but it's the perfect shade. That's insane. Whatever. I'm so mad that I slept on this foundation this long. Anyways, now I'm gonna go ahead and set with the new Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder in the shade Honey. This stuff is the real truth. I love translucent now, don't get me wrong, but I think Honey just knocked out the whole thing, the whole shebang. Honey is beautiful. I'm gonna just set it like so. Just press that in there so that I don't get creases at all. So for bronzer today, I'm gonna try out a new bronzer on camera. I've already talked about this bronzer on my IG story. This is how the bronzer looks, you guys. This is the Beauty Bay bronzer. I have here Oak and Cinnamon. Don't know, I think I'm gonna grab Cinnamon. Cinnamon will be the right shade for me today. And I'm just going to bronze away. You know, I never even heard about Beauty Bay until I tried out these bronzers, and I'm just so obsessed. Very pigment, very beautiful, warms up the skin. The shades are nice as well. And I love this because they are women of color friendly with the bronzers, so you will find your right shade. For blush, I also grabbed the Beauty Bay blush in the shade Coral. This is so pretty. I'm gonna show you guys pigment. Okay, so I'm gonna apply this on the cheeks. This is gorgeous. The shade on this is so pretty. Apply some on my nose as well. Now you guys know I love blush, so I got a little ham with it, and then whatever left over, I can just take it around the face. For the eyes, y'all, I want to match with the outfit that I'm rocking today for today's look. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this Revolution Beauty eyeshadow palette, and this is a collaboration with the show Friends, you guys. This palette is really pretty as soon as I get open. Look how gorgeous this palette is. You guys know Revolution Beauty is such an affordable brand. It is gorgeous. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab Coral and put that all over my crease as my transition shade. I haven't played with this palette, so I don't know how it works, how nice the eyeshadows are. I have not, but usually Revolution Beauty eyeshadow palettes are very nice and pigment, and they're just beautiful. For it to be an affordable, you know, makeup line, they're very, very nice. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this shade right here. Just place this all into my crease, a little bit lower though, a little bit lower, and just blend that in there. Okay, so the next shade I'm gonna grab is this brown right here, and just work this in the outer corner of my eye. Okay, just gonna go a little dark, honey, just a little dark chocolate. It is chocolate too. What is wrong with me? Like, what is like wrong with me? So I'm gonna go back into the palette, grab that orange eyeshadow, and I'm gonna work this on my water lash line. That is placed there really, really good. I'm gonna go back into that brown shadow right there. Work this a little bit higher on my water lash line. This is just going to smoke it out. I have been loving this brush, you guys, to do this. It's so flat and it's perfect. By the way, it's from Mercier. It's perfect to just smoke that water lash line out. So I'm gonna grab this like pretty gold eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna place this on my eyelids, of course. So I have an idea. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this Color Fix. I think that's the brand, Color Fix eyeshadow. I already put it in the back of my hand. I'm gonna see something. Yup, that's exactly what I was trying to go for. So I'm just going to place this all over my eyelid. I feel like this is more just like a, oof, y'all see that gold? Yeah, that is gorgeous. And then place that on the other side. Okay, I'm also putting this as my inner corner highlight. I'm gonna grab this Mercier eyeliner. And you guys already know this is my favorite product ever. And I'm also gonna place that on my water lash line. Darken this look up a little bit more. This is like the perfect eyeliner if you don't know how to do a wing liner. It's so easy to work with, it doesn't make any sense. Like, this is way too easy. You guys, the eyes are complete. So now I'm gonna grab the Beauty Bay highlight in the shade Trophy, and I'm just gonna highlight away with this bad boy. This is another product that's new to me. Ooh, that is very intense. This is how the glam looks, y'all. Now I'm gonna grab a lipstick. Yo, I feel so extra for no reason. Good. So now for lips, you guys, I'm gonna grab the Mented liquid lipstick in the shade Blacker the Berry. This lipstick is amazing. It's so good, so good, so good. I was gonna, yes, this is it. And I'm not rocking lip liner. I always say, every time I rock Mented lipstick, I don't need a lip liner. So now I'm gonna go ahead and set everything with this Morphe Setting Mist. Ooh, gotta move my drink out the way. Girl, I feel like a new girl. New girl in town. Love the vampiness of this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Short hair, don't care. If you have short hair like me, let's rock it, okay? I love how everything turned out. The makeup look, the short hair, the dark lip, just giving you guys fall vibes to the fullest today. Let me go ahead and change and I'll be right back. All right, my babies, so this is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. And also, if you're new, subscribe down below and also hit that notification bell so that you're always notified when your girl uploads. I love you guys so, so much, and I'll put the sana, and I'll see you guys in my next video.